If you're a stay-at-home mom and you're broke, I have one question for you. Why are you not on YouTube? You see, this year, YouTube is favoring small content creators a lot. And on YouTube this year, I've made over $5,000. So get yourself on YouTube right now and share those experiences with us. Share those morning routines with us. Share those homeschool moments with us. Share those park moments with us. Share everything with us. You don't need to show the faces of your kids if you don't want to. But I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know what you're waiting for, but now is the time to maximize it. And I hope this is not a glitch that is going on with YouTube, but YouTube is literally paying people a lot of money now. And the next person could be you. You don't have to have thousands of subscribers or thousands of views. You just have to have a niche, right? You have to have a niche that is high paying. There are several niches that moms can jump on. And if you want a list of 20 different niches with 400 video ideas of niches that you can jump on as a mom, go into the description box or in the comment section. I'm going to be clicking it there. It's free. Get on it and start creating today. You have no excuse. You can film when your kids are there. You can film when you're cooking. You can film when you're sleeping. You can literally film because everything is an experience that a lot of people, that everybody wants to know about. So you're broke, get yourself on YouTube. You need money, get yourself on YouTube. You're bored, get yourself on YouTube. You feel unfulfilled, get yourself on YouTube right now. And don't stop thinking, okay? Stop imagining that, oh my God, this is going to happen. Oh my God. You want me to open it? Open it.
Mommy, where's apple? Is apple grape?
Apple is not grape. Apple is apple.
Is apple
Are you
grape?
coloring the apple?
Yeah.
How many apples are you coloring?
3.
3 apples.
Yeah.
Good. So, guys, if you're a stay at home mom, I don't know what you're waiting for. Get yourself on YouTube now and start to share those experiences you have. You can create financial stability for yourself. You can create financial stability for your home. If you're discouraged, get yourself on YouTube and tell us how discouraged you are, because that is the truth. Sometimes as stay-at-home moms, you're so lonely and so bored. There is no one to talk to except maybe when your husband gets home. No one to talk to. Use YouTube as that outlet, right? Use YouTube as your outlet. Go live. Let people share your experience, share your frustration with people, share your joy with people, share your happiness with people. Okay, we've gotten to a stage and the age where this is the things that are happening now. Like you find people, you find friends on YouTube, you find a community of a supportive community on YouTube. And I am a stay-at-home mom like you. I have been a stay-at-home mom for over 7 years. And I can tell you that since the day I started YouTube, my entire life has changed. My creativity has changed. My skills have changed. I've not only learned public speaking, I've learned editing, I've learned graphic designing, I've learned how to create digital products, I've learned how to be a marketer, I've learned a lot of things. So don't just sit down there and complain. Don't complain that, oh, you always have the kids around you. I always have the kids around me myself. Film whether they're there or they're not. Film when you're cooking. Some of you are great cooks. Okay, I'm a basic cook, but some of you are so good at cooking. Like you have different strategies and different methods to cooking. Share it with us. Some of you know different things that we can do for the kids, different things that we can teach the kids. Some of you are good with special needs kids. Teach us.
Mama,
Teach us. What?
everyone that needs help because they're got it by themselves.
Oh, they got it by themselves?
Yeah.
All right, my daughter said you guys have got it by yourself, and so you don't need help. But I need help. She needs help. We all need help. All right, so guys, get yourself on YouTube and start making money. Now, listen. Rome was not built in a day. I'm not promising you that you're going to make money right now, today, tomorrow, but I'm promising you that if you stay the course and learn something new every day, the money is going to come. Also, if you learn how to sell digital products, every day I get a notification from Etsy that my digital item has been sold, even if it's just as little as $6. I'm selling something every day. So get yourself there. Now, if you need help, go to my website and go register for the Millionaire Housewife. Okay, around me, in my community around me, I am called the millionaire housewife because I'm that mom that stays at home and I'm still balling.
Mom just drives and then he takes their children to the library.
I take my children to the library. Yes, that is what we do as stay-at-home moms. We take our children to the library. So go register for the Millionaire Housewife or something. Watch all my videos. There is always something you can do. And guess what? You don't need extreme editing skills. You don't need extreme thumbnail skills. All you need is to get on CapCut. Just film one take. For example, this video I'm filming now is one take. It's just one take. Film one take and post it exactly the way it is. Let me tell you, the skills that you need will come later. All right, guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly hit that subscribe button. Share it with that stay-at-home mom. This video is specifically for stay-at-home mom. So share it with that stay-at-home mom, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.